Okay, so the car sold, right? Here we are in the morning. This car sold last night, but it sold with the condition that the headlights work. The headlights didn't work. I had no idea. So yeah, basically this bulb and this bulb, which are both the highs and the lows, were burnt out. So I've got to change it. And the guy's coming to pick up the car. He's paid for it. He's transferred it. It's his car. This car is sold. But I have to change the headlights, and then he's going to come later today to pick up the second key and take it. So let's get to this. Last job on this car, and that's it. We got bolt. This comes off. Then we're going to have to take the air filter out. Then we're going to have to take the base off, and then we're going to have to reach in here because it's all the way, I guess, here. Really, really, really dumb. So weird. Okay. This is held on how? Just by this bolt right there? Really? Just this one bolt. Cool. Really? One freaking bolt? That's rather dirty, so cleaner now. A lot of dirt. Good. Go. Then we cool. Back in here. Light there. Grab that. Turn that. Pull it out. Light bulb. Burnt. So basically the clip comes off. Bulb comes out. See the bulb. It's burnt. Right there. Well burnt. Cool. Now we have the new bulb. And that's it. Headlight in, airbox goes back into place. Just so. Airbox goes back into place. Air filter. Oh, yeah. Air filter goes back on. Airbox can lower. This clip can clip back over to here. So that's clipped. This. So basically, we've got this bolt. And we've got this bolt. This bolt, and this bolt. And we can tighten them. Drop the bolt, drop the tool. Almost dropped the tool again. But I didn't. Obviously, we're using high quality tools here, only the best of the best for this final job on the charger, which on this side is done. Now, let's do the other side, test it out. So, the next side, much easier. It's got access. There's no airbox. This is in the way, but I can reach my hand in. You can see the little door right there. I can easily, or supposedly easily, get the cap off. Get the bulb out. Boom. Replacement bulb. Take this. All right, so we got the replacement bulb in. Focus. We got the replacement bulb in. Tighten it into place. Grab the lid. Oh God, wasn't this side so much easier? And we're sealed. Basically, that's it. Headlights done. Let's see. See if we turn on the headlights. We're headlighting. Cool. So, there we go. Let's see if we got high beams. Because that bulb is the high beam and the low beam. Okay, high beaming. Sweet. That's that. We did it. We can close this awesome hood for the final time. That will be the last time we ever close the hood on the 2016 Dodge Charger. One of the original 6 from Scott's lot. It's slow. It's steady. But we're getting there. I mean, one after the next, car after the car. We're high beaming. All right, guys. Well, that's it. the last time we're gonna see this car. It's the last time we're gonna be under the hood of this car. We're gonna say bye to the 2016. One of the original 6 on Scott's lot. We're on, we're up, we're moving forward. Things are happening. The cars are finally going out. I knew they'd sell one after the next. So this is our second car gone this week.